because like my last school was in such dire straits that it is tough to see past your current circumstance if all you're talking about is what's current. We're the poorest performing school in the district, the poorest performing district in the greater Atlanta area. I mean, our kids are like 18% proficiency on average per grade level. It is tough to talk about it until you start visioning. When we started asking, what school we want to become? We want to be at a school we're not ashamed to put it on social media, that we don't cower when people snicker about our school. And then we started having these conversations about what it could be. 5 years from now, we're going to end up on the front of the Atlanta Journal-Constitution. We're going to lead the news that night. What's the headline going to read? And then we start talking about what it's going to read. And we come up with these visions. And one of them was, we wanted parents 5 minutes late for every parent meeting because the work in the hallways was so amazing that they had to stop and read it. Now this is hood stuff right here. Everybody might not be related to this, but this is hood stuff. We wanted a good number of our parents lying about their residency to get bringing their grandmama a phone bill to show that the kid lives in our area just to get them in our school. We wanted to line around the block, and we got close. We got close. In 3 years, we got close. We got to that place where people were proud to be there. We were making a difference, and that's you got to be able to cast a vision that is bigger than yourself, and inspiring enough to get out of bed. And that's part of how you work your way out of that abyss, because we were in an abyss.